How to fix AliExpress payment error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're facing a payment error on AliExpress, then the first thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the app. To check, launch open Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar and here you want to search for AliExpress. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After updating, any bugs will be fixed. Now check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you can do is check your payment method. Ensure that your debit or credit card or PayPal has sufficient balance. If you're using a card, confirm it's enabled for international transactions. You can also try using another payment method. Now the next thing you want to do is double check your card number, expiry date and CVV number. If the card has expired, you want to use a new one. Next thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From these list of applications, you want to find AliExpress. Now tap on the option of storage. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on force stop. Tap on OK over here. You simply want to restart your device and that should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.